No tērā wiki, I runga I a toa o Aotearoa. Ko te peru te wero nui, hei ngau I te Maori a ngā toa.
Everyone's now finally realised we're here for a competition, and you can see it, that the competitiveness is starting to come into it.
Mā wai e eke, e puta ki ngā taumata tike a te kāhui toa.
I want to be more than top 5. That's what I got in my head. So it's not really a talking point for me, and I just got to do it.
Ai rā, he whawhai, he tātai rākau, te aronga nui a ngā toa.
The whole feel of the tour has changed more than when we first come on. When we first come together it was more relaxed, but now it's starting to get more tighter and more harder.
Ko wai kāhua, ko wai katoa.
Well, I want to be in the top 4. If I can get one of these fit ones off, then I'm proud.